In this video, today we will talk about sustainable cars, the rise of eco-friendly vehicles. The automotive industry is undergoing a significant transformation as the demand for sustainable and eco-friendly vehicles grows. This shift is driven by the increasing awareness of environmental issues, stricter emissions regulations, and advancements in technology. As a result, car manufacturers are prioritizing sustainability in their designs, leading to the rise of electric vehicles, EVs, hybrid cars, and other eco-friendly innovations. This movement represents not just a change in the type of vehicles we drive, but a fundamental shift in how we think about transportation and its impact on the planet. 1. Understanding the environmental impact of traditional vehicles. The first step in understanding the rise of sustainable cars is recognizing the environmental impact of traditional internal combustion engine (ICE) vehicles. These vehicles burn fossil fuels, releasing carbon dioxide, CO2, and other greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. The transportation sector is a major contributor to global CO2 emissions, exacerbating climate change and air pollution. This understanding has fueled the demand for alternatives that can reduce the carbon footprint of transportation. 2. The emergence of hybrid vehicles. Hybrid vehicles were among the first eco-friendly alternatives to ICE vehicles. Introduced in the late 1990s, hybrid cars like the Toyota Prius combined a traditional gasoline engine with an electric motor, improving fuel efficiency and reducing emissions. These vehicles became popular for their ability to switch between gasoline and electric power, offering a practical solution for consumers looking to reduce their environmental impact without sacrificing convenience. 3. The rise of electric vehicles, EVs. The third step in the evolution of sustainable cars is the rise of electric vehicles. Tesla, a pioneer in this field, revolutionized the automotive industry with high-performance electric cars that offered impressive range and acceleration. EVs run entirely on electricity, producing zero tailpipe emissions. As battery technology has improved, EVs have become more accessible to consumers, with increasing range and decreasing costs. This shift marks a significant move away from fossil fuel dependence. 4. Government policies and incentives. Government policies and incentives have played a crucial role in promoting the adoption of eco-friendly vehicles. Many countries have introduced regulations to limit CO2 emissions and have set ambitious targets for phasing out fossil fuel vehicles. Incentives such as tax credits, rebates, and subsidies for purchasing electric and hybrid vehicles have made them more attractive to consumers. Additionally, investments in charging infrastructure are making EVs more practical for everyday use. 5. Advancements in battery technology. A key driver in the rise of sustainable cars has been advancements in battery technology. Early electric vehicles were limited by their short range and long charging times. However, developments in lithium-ion batteries have significantly improved the performance of EVs, allowing for longer ranges and faster charging. Companies are also exploring alternative battery technologies, such as solid-state batteries, which promise even greater efficiency and safety. These advancements are making EVs more competitive with traditional vehicles. 6. The role of automakers in promoting sustainability. Major automakers have increasingly committed to sustainability, investing heavily in the development of electric and hybrid vehicles. Companies like General Motors, Ford, Volkswagen, and BMW have announced plans to phase out gasoline-powered vehicles and transition to all-electric lineups. This industry-wide shift is not just a response to regulatory pressure, but also to changing consumer preferences. Automakers are now marketing sustainability as a key feature, appealing to environmentally conscious buyers. 7. The importance of renewable energy integration. As electric vehicles become more prevalent, the importance of integrating renewable energy into the grid becomes clear. To maximize the environmental benefits of EVs, it is crucial that the electricity used to charge them comes from renewable sources like wind, solar, and hydroelectric power. Some EV manufacturers, such as Tesla, are also involved in renewable energy initiatives, promoting solar power systems that allow consumers to generate their own clean energy for vehicle charging. 8. Future trends and innovations in sustainable transportation. The final step involves looking ahead to future trends and innovations in sustainable transportation. Autonomous electric vehicles, vehicle-to-grid, V2G technology, and advances in public transportation systems are set to further revolutionize how we move. The development of more efficient EVs, improvements in battery recycling, and the expansion of charging networks will continue to drive the adoption of eco-friendly vehicles. As these technologies mature, the dream of a sustainable, zero-emissions transportation system becomes more attainable. These 8 steps outline the evolution and rise of sustainable cars, reflecting the ongoing shift toward eco-friendly transportation solutions that are reshaping the future of the automotive industry. 9. Consumer awareness and behavioral shift. The growing awareness among consumers about the environmental impact of their choices has been instrumental in the rise of sustainable cars. Educational campaigns, documentaries, and increasing media coverage have highlighted the dangers of climate change and the role that traditional vehicles play in it. This awareness has led to a significant behavioral shift, with more consumers prioritizing sustainability in their purchasing decisions. They are also more open to new mobility solutions, such as car sharing and ride-hailing services that utilize electric vehicles. This shift in consumer mindset is driving demand for sustainable transportation options, encouraging automakers to accelerate their development of eco-friendly vehicles. 10. Challenges and the path forward. Despite the significant progress in the development and adoption of sustainable cars, challenges remain. One of the primary obstacles is the high upfront cost of electric vehicles, which can be a barrier for many consumers. Although prices are gradually decreasing and incentives are helping to offset costs, affordability remains a key concern. Additionally, the availability of charging infrastructure, especially in rural and underserved areas, needs to be expanded to support the growing number of EVs on the road. Looking forward, the path to widespread adoption of sustainable cars will require continued innovation, investment in infrastructure, and supportive government policies. Collaboration between automakers, governments, and consumers will be essential to overcoming these challenges and achieving a more sustainable future for transportation. As technology advances and economies of scale are realized, sustainable cars are expected to become the norm rather than the exception, marking a significant milestone in the fight against climate change. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.